Welcome. Today, we're diving into a classic methodology in project management, the Waterfall Model. Let's explore its history, stages, pros, and cons. The Waterfall Model is a linear, sequential project management approach. Each phase must be completed before the next begins, like a waterfall. It's a step-by-step process where progress flows steadily downwards through the phases of a project. A clear structure prevents chaos and ensures projects stay on track. It impacts budget, deadlines, and overall success. Without a plan, projects can get messy. Deadlines are missed, budgets are blown, and the team can lose direction. The Waterfall Model emerged in the early days of software development, inspired by traditional engineering and manufacturing. Its roots are in the 1970s, particularly in the work of Winston Royce, who outlined its foundational principles. The model consists of distinct stages: requirements, design, implementation, verification, and deployment/maintenance. Each stage has specific objectives and deliverables, and must be completed before moving to the next. It offers simplicity, clear documentation, and easy management, especially for straightforward projects. It provides a well-defined structure and thorough documentation, making it easy to understand and follow. However, it's not without drawbacks, particularly its lack of flexibility and potential for late-stage problem detection. Once a stage is complete, going back is difficult. Changes late in the process can be costly and time-consuming. It shines when requirements are clear, well-defined, and unlikely to change during the project. Think projects with minimal ambiguity, where the end goal is clearly understood from the start. Let's consider some scenarios. We'll look at 3 projects and figure out if Waterfall is the right fit. Project A, new mobile app. Project B, bank reporting system update. Project C, website for a creative agency. What model to choose and why? While it has lost popularity in software development, it still has relevance and has influenced modern methodologies. Many agile principles were born as reactions to Waterfall's limitations, learning from its strengths and weaknesses. Waterfall is all about sequence and control, with both advantages and disadvantages depending on the project's context. For well-defined, regulated projects with experienced teams, it can still be a viable option. We'd love to hear your experiences with Waterfall. Share in the comments. Have you used it? How did it go? Describe a project you've worked on or imagined. Would Waterfall have been suitable? Why or why not? Let's discuss.